In a beautiful forest surrounded by green trees and colorful flowers lived a little rabbit. Every day he would gaze up at the sky and dream of exploring new worlds. One night he saw a magical valley in his dreams, glowing with golden lights, sparkling with beauty. The little rabbit decided he would find this valley one day. As the sun rose, the little rabbit packed a tiny backpack. He placed inside a water bottle, a sweet carrot, and his favorite storybook. During his journey, he reached a wide river. The rushing water roared loudly, but the little rabbit did not give up. Just then, a kind turtle appeared and said, "Don't worry, friend, I will help you cross the river." Together, they laughed and crossed safely. As he walked further, the little rabbit met a grand old tree that could speak. The tree gently said, "Find the right path with your heart. Your destination is near." Soon, the little rabbit entered a dark and silent forest. Shadows loomed everywhere, and strange sounds echoed through the trees. His heart began to race. In the middle of the darkness, he spotted a tiny glowing flower. Its soft light brightened the path ahead. The little rabbit smiled with hope and moved forward. After many adventures, the little rabbit finally found the magical valley of his dreams. Green fields, blue waterfalls, and colorful rainbows filled the land. After fulfilling his dream, the little rabbit returned to his forest home. He shared his wonderful journey with his friends. Everyone learned that dreams do come true when you follow your heart.